There are moments where you are going to need your team to be very committed, to be aligned with what you're trying to achieve, to be excellent, to work towards the direction that you want them to focus on. And you need something called motivation. You need to motivate your team, right? There is a strategy that you can use to get this done. It is not just by giving them financial support, which is what most people need, but not all the times. There are times where you need to just have a conversation, especially if you don't have the financial support. What you need to do is celebrate every win and appreciate your team members. Yes, you need to appreciate them. A rewarded behavior will always be repeated. Mostly, certainly, when you reward someone for doing something good, they know that this is necessary for the organization. This works for the organization, and if I can continue doing this, I will be appreciated. Celebrate every small win, and they are going to put in more effort. The next thing that you need to do is don't keep them hanging. Let them know what they're supposed to do. That ownership. There is something called in project management reassign matrix, right? Where you assign this person is responsible for this guy is accountable for this. We have to consult this guy and we need to inform this stakeholder. That is a simple framework that you can always use. Don't minimize it. Don't see it as a strategy, but see it as a necessity, because if you use it, you are always going to succeed. The next thing that you have to do is make sure you communicate effectively. Communicate in a way that people understand the why. Why are we doing this? Why is this important for the organization? When you leave them hanging, it becomes very difficult for you to execute, right? For them to focus. So the next time you feel like things are not moving, appreciate people for what they have done. And trust me, they will do more. If anything I've shared with you resonated, if it sparked a thought, a question, or even just a feeling, then hit that subscribe button.